Tired of drowning in paperwork and chasing signatures the old-fashioned way? Let's ditch the pen and paper and dive into the world of electronic signatures, specifically how DocuSign defines and legitimizes them. DocuSign is a leading platform for electronic signatures, and they define them as a legally binding way to get approval on electronic documents. It's essentially a digital fingerprint that verifies the signer's identity and intent to agree to the terms within a document. Unlike a simple scanned signature, DocuSign's electronic signatures incorporate sophisticated security measures. This includes identity verification, audit trails, and tamper-evident seals. This means that once a document is signed via DocuSign, any changes made to it become immediately apparent, protecting the integrity of the agreement. But here's the crucial point: DocuSign signatures are legally valid and enforceable in most countries around the world, thanks to laws like the SIGN Act in the United States and similar legislation globally. DocuSign's features, like timestamping and detailed audit trails, provide strong evidence that the signature is authentic and the document hasn't been altered. The convenience of signing documents anytime, anywhere, on any device makes DocuSign a game-changer for businesses and individuals alike. So, next time you need to sign a contract, consider the secure, legally sound, and efficient option DocuSign electronic signatures. Say goodbye to paper piles and hello to streamlined signing.